Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming a real part of everyday work, from marketing and design to customer support and education. But with all the hype around AI, one big question remains. Which AI-related skills actually make sense to learn today? Hundreds of new AI professions appear online, but not all are realistic or useful. In this video, I'll break down one of the most talked about roles in the AI world, the prompt engineer. What people really do in this role, who it's suitable for, and whether it's something you could realistically transition into. What is a prompt engineer? A prompt engineer is someone who knows how to communicate with AI systems in a very specific way. Instead of writing code, they write instructions, called prompts, that help AI generate better results. These prompts can be simple, like a short question, or complex, like detailed step-by-step instructions, roles, examples, and constraints. Prompt engineers design these instructions to guide AI behavior, tone, style, structure, and logic. They work with text, images, audio, video, and even automated workflows. The main goal is to get accurate, useful, and predictable output from AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, or other AI systems. In practice, a prompt engineer acts as a bridge between human intentions and artificial intelligence. What do they actually do? Prompt engineers work with AI systems on a daily basis. Their main task is to design and test prompts that produce reliable and high-quality results. They experiment with different wording, structures, and formats to see how AI responds. For example, they might generate marketing text, summarize complex documents, create scripts for videos or podcasts, design chatbots for customer support, or build AI workflows for business processes. They analyze the outputs, identify mistakes, and improve prompts step by step. Often, they collaborate with teams, marketers, developers, product managers, or educators, and help them integrate AI into their work. In many cases, prompt engineers also document best practices and create prompt libraries for companies. Where this role is used, prompt engineers are in demand across many industries. In marketing, they help create compelling content and ads. In customer support, they design chatbots that answer questions accurately. In product design, they generate ideas and prototypes with AI assistance. In education, they help create learning materials or AI tutors. In data analysis, they guide AI to summarize complex data sets. Essentially, anywhere AI is used to generate text, images, audio, or automate workflows, a skilled prompt engineer can make it work more efficiently and reliably. The best part, this role is remote-friendly and the skills transfer across countries and industries. Who this is for? This role is ideal for people who are curious about AI and enjoy problem solving. If you like experimenting, testing different approaches, and refining results until they work perfectly, this could be a great fit. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, analysts, designers, or anyone in a digital or remote role looking to level up their skills. You don't need to be a programmer, but being comfortable with digital tools, reading instructions carefully, and thinking critically will help you succeed. Basically, if you want to turn AI from a tool into a professional skill, this career path is worth exploring. Who this is not for? This career is not for everyone. If you're only looking for a quick way to make money online, this isn't it. If you don't like experimenting, testing, or refining ideas until they work, you'll get frustrated. People who struggle with following instructions carefully, thinking critically, or working independently may also find it challenging. In short, this role requires patience, curiosity, and a willingness to learn. It's a skill-based profession, not a shortcut. Skills needed to succeed as a prompt engineer, you don't need to be a developer, but there are some key skills that help a lot. Basic AI knowledge, understanding how AI tools work and what they can do. Digital literacy, comfort with computers, online platforms, and productivity tools. Critical thinking, the ability to analyze AI outputs and improve prompts step by step. Creativity, finding new ways to ask questions and guide AI effectively. Communication, writing clear, precise instructions that AI can understand. Ethical awareness, knowing how to use AI responsibly, avoiding bias and misinformation. Together, these skills help you turn AI from just a tool into a professional capability that companies actually value. These skills improve with practice and experimentation, so don't worry if you're starting from scratch. How to learn. There are several ways to start learning the skills of a prompt engineer. You can begin with self-study, experimenting with AI tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, testing different prompts and learning from your results. You can also practice on small projects like generating content, building a chatbot, or automating tasks to see how AI responds in real situations. For those who prefer a more structured approach, professional certification programs exist. Start with self-study in small projects, then consider structured programs. One structured way to start learning prompt engineering is through the AI plus Prompt Engineer Level 1 certification. This program teaches the fundamentals of prompt engineering, AI tools, and practical workflows to turn AI into a professional skill. In this certification, you'll learn core principles of prompt engineering, generative AI, basics of machine learning, and natural language processing. You'll also practice hands-on techniques for creating accurate, high-quality AI outputs. The program is designed for flexibility. It includes video lessons, podcasts, ebooks, and module quizzes. You can study at your own pace, anywhere, on your phone, tablet, or computer. Hands-on practice is a key part of the course. You'll test prompts, refine outputs, and complete real projects to apply your skills in text, images, audio, and automated workflows. The course includes an online proctored exam with a retake option. Upon completion, you earn a shareable certificate that can be added to your LinkedIn profile, resume, or portfolio. Prompt engineering skills can be applied across many industries: marketing, content creation, customer support, product design, education, and any field where AI is used to generate content or automate tasks. That's a quick look at what a prompt engineer does and how you can start learning these skills. Learning these skills can open doors to remote careers and future opportunities in AI. Remember, mastering prompt engineering takes curiosity, practice, and patience, but it's a valuable skill for anyone working with AI. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more insights on remote careers and future skills.